Hello there, fellas and ladies. Welcome back to Goodfellas Garage. Thank you for joining us today. And we have officially purchased our first flip, our first Goodfellas Garage vehicle.
Yes.
We bought it at Manheim.
Hyman.
He calls it Hyman. Okay, it's Manheim. We bought it yesterday, and I have violated my own rule. I actually bought the car online. So I never done it before. This is the first time I've ever done it. But Goodfella Devin was on trial all week. I was in court all week as well. So I physically didn't have time to go to the auction on Thursday. So we went the day before to look at the car, but unfortunately, by the time we got to the auction on Wednesday night, it was dark. So, I broke my own rule. I had to check out the car in the dark, but, you have to do the best that you can. And the next day, I was in court, and I was actually bidding on the car sitting in court because the freaking hearing took forever. I had nowhere to go, so I had to do it. So I bid on the car, I bought it, and we're on the way to pick it up. So I'm taking you guys, with us all the way, and we're gonna go check it out and see if we can get it out of there. Oh, by the way, you have the money?
I think so.
Okay. All right. So we think he has the money. So, all right, stick around.
Hopefully I brought it.
Alrighty, fellas, we made it to the auction. We got the gate pass. We paid for this beautiful car. Let's see if we can find it in this ocean of cars.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at this. This is like a candy store for car guys,
She said 4. We're going. That's 8. So we got
4 is over there. Yeah.
She said 4, right?
Yeah. All right, catch you guys in a second. All right, we're still looking for this car. We've been looking for 10 minutes. Can't find. Look at this. Look at this shit.
Let's just take any one of them.
Yeah. Look at all these Range Rovers, man. Holy crap.
There's probably 1,000 Range Rovers. Look at that.
Yeah.
Down there and then all the way down here.
Yeah. Nope, it's not here. Fuck. I don't see it, dude.
Yeah, I don't see it either.
Yeah.
It's in front of the cafeteria.
In front of the cafeteria.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the cafeteria?
Right there. I see the where it says cafe.
Oh, okay. All right.
That's a good thing.
Thank you so much. Appreciate
All right.
it. Thank you. Oh, it's probably with the pile of junk that's sitting over there, right?
Yeah, the shitty cars. The cars that someone took a dump in.
Yeah.
These are the cars.
Huh.
Oh
my God. So supposedly, I'll show you folks. The car
It's in front of the cafe.
is over there somewhere. Now, how the fuck are we gonna get it out of here? This is gonna be fun. Yeah, there's no way to get it out of here. Oh my God! Look how tightly they're packed.
Yeah.
Hey.
Film it?
Yeah.
Yeah, film it,
All right.
please.
Sure.
You have to push another car
Oh
all the
my
way?
God!
Is that what they do?
Look at this.
Yeah.
Holy crap! This means that it's no good.
Yeah.
All right, there it is. Let's do a cold start.
Okay. What? Yeah, it's touching.
What the fuck? Is there any damage?
I don't know. Take a look. No.
That's fine.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So,
All right.
fellas, if you haven't figured out by now what we got a, what did we get? Tell them what we got.
The spaghetti mobile?
Spaghetti mobile. Yeah.
A Maserati GranTurismo S. You just move the carbon with the whole carbon fiber package and all this other
MC
shit.
Sport. Yeah, it's an S with an MC Sport line.
Was it MC Sport?
It's an MC Sport line, and it has every single
No,
option.
I think it's just the GranTurismo S, not MC.
No, it's an MC. Look at the door. It says MC. See the door panel? It says MC Sport line on top.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
MC's like the best one, I guess. I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's the top of the line. Can you take this
Whatever.
shit off? You know, because I can't see none.
You can't see shit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on there fucking hard.
I know. Yeah.
I got it.
That's what she said.
That is what she said.
Oh fuck! This thing will never come
yeah,
off.
yeah. You should just leave it because it's gonna make it worse.
It's been sitting-
I don't touch it. Don't touch it. I got it. Oh fuck, my asshole.
You fucked it up.
Yeah, you should just leave it. To be quite honest.
Well, I can't drive like this, bro.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna take
Yeah,
off.
just
the
take it
best
off
I
like
can
that. Yeah,
off,
whatever.
It's gonna be a little fucked up. But
That's okay. I don't
just so
care.
you can see, and then
Yeah.
you're gonna have to use like glue gun or whatever the
Yeah,
fuck it
I'll
is.
clean it up. You know.
Go gone. What the hell is that thing called?
Yeah, go gone.
Well, we gotta see if the radio works.
Oh yeah, it does.
Liranti pasta toys just because she is so nice, Angelina. It works.
What is that noise?
The brakes. They haven't been used in forever.
Oh wow, this feels so weird.
I thought you drove it.
No,
No.
you crazy? You can't drive them here.
Does it drive just like the 430?
Oh yeah, absolutely, 100%.
No, I'm asking you. Does it?
I
The
don't
engine.
know. I just for the first time. You know, like,
No, I mean when you feel it, you
Yeah.
can feel it. Like you know how like the 430.
I never driven the 430.
Oh, a 430 automatic.
Yeah.
It like kind of like it feels like it's the car's trying to go and it's not going anywhere. It's weird.
All right, so we have the gate pass, you know, and we have to go through this process of getting out of here.
Mm-hmm.
So this is like the concentration camp in here, you know, like
What?
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 It's like a concentration camp to get in and get out. You know?
You're saying like because they act like the Gestapo?
Yeah, they got like a Gestapo, you know. It's like
They're the
no
worst.
soup for you.
We'll clean it up and you know.
Yeah.
What are they? Yes, they open the trunk to make sure he's not stealing
Yeah,
anything?
you're not stealing like car parts and stuff like that, you know. Because it happens, man. This is what I told you, you know. Like I don't like to leave cars here because people steal stuff. People steal parts off the car.
They already did that to you.
Yeah, I already did
Just
this.
now.
They
They're
just
missing-
somebody stole the little switch off the seat control, you know.
Mhm.
So
This lady gonna make us get out, give like
tour.
a blood sample,
Yeah.
semen sample. She's gonna body search me, cavity search.
Yeah.
She's being tough.
Wait. Nope, not off just yet. I just wanted for you.
Oh yeah, that's right. Thank you. Forgot about that. You want me to turn it off?
I mean, if you can do it, you can do it.
I have no
That
idea.
thing, the stopper right there.
Oh,
Put it on there, it opens. You might have to turn it off. Because you can't get to.
there you go. Thank you so much. Did she just put that thing on top
Yeah.
of the paint?
She did. Because the other lady's gonna take it off.
Fuck.
If she asks you your name, be like, "It's a me, Mario."
Hi.
Alright. Mario. I'm Luigi Mario.
Need my driver's license number? I haven't been through this process in a long time. So.
I got you.
I'm sorry? Two. All right.
She said you can go.
We're free to go.
Oh, these cars with all these fucking warnings.
Freedom!
Now it blows up right before you get out. Like,
That's
it's
it.
like, it's like you drive off, the tires fall off.
Warranty's void. That's it. No, that's it. Really, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
We gotta test the transmission because you can bring it back if the transmission is not shifting. So
The time says 3:57. What is that in Italy?
I don't know. Yeah.
What time is it right now?
Mario.
No, really. What time is it in Italy? Let's see. So it's right now. It's 12. It's almost 12 o'clock, and Italy's 6 hours ahead, right? I think it's on Italian time.
5?
No. It's not. It would be if it was
6. It shifts.
It's not. I thought it was automatic.
Yeah, you can shift with paddles.
Well, you should check to make sure it automatic that works. The paddle shifting is going to work. Captain,
Yeah, it did.
you have it on regular, not sport.
I have it on regular, yes. Do I have it on sport?
It shifts on its own. That's the question?
It did. It just did. Relax.
All right. After the stop sign, just floor it. See if it'll shift through gears. Right through the school zone.
What is your name? Mario.
I'm Luigi Mario. This is Mario.
What is that noise? What is that beeping?
It's like warning you about everything.
Oh.
All right, floor it. See if it changes.
Wow.
Yeah, it changes.
Woo.
Careful, you're gonna kill yourself. You know how to drive this shit.
Yeah.
All right.
This is quick. This is pretty quick.
Of course it's quick. It's got like 450 horsepower.
140.
Whatever.
All right. So get it right.
Your Ferrari engine.
It's not Ferrari engine. That's what people love to say. It's not really. It's a Ferrari derived
I know,
engine.
I
Okay,
know,
so
I
let's
know.
not get carried away. All
I
right.
know.
Yeah.
Why don't you read the manual? In sport, it won't shift as fast.
Oh my God! It sounds so good. Oh man, it sounds so good. I love these paddles, man. They're fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're downshifting?
Oh man, it sounds so sexy.
Yeah.
Ah, the spaghetti people know how to make a car. Ah, Luigi, mamma mia!
Mamma mia.
It's pretty nice. It just needs to be cleaned up, you know?
Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. It
Yeah.
needs a couple little,
Shigama-jiggies.
yeah, like the stupid thing that they took out.
Oh. Oh,
You're just
man.
gonna keep the car?
Nah. Just sounds so good. Careful there, papito.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna end this here. We're gonna do another video once this car is all ready to go.
Cleaned up.
Yeah, it's all cleaned up. Thank you for sticking with